Let's now move on, viewers, and talk about the latest update coming from the national capital. And this time it is about Aam Aadmi Party's Atishi, the CM designate. We are now getting to know that she is likely to take oath on 21st of September as the Chief Minister of the national capital after Arvind Kejriwal stepped down. Now, we are also learning that the entire cabinet is expected to take oath along with her. So some interesting names and portfolios are likely to come on 21st of September. Now, the question that many are asking is Arvind Kejriwal attempting some kind of an image makeover after resigning from the post of Delhi Chief Minister? Is he planning to shed the tag of corruption that his party has now got? Because remember, sources have told your channel that instead of looking at the governance, instead of being in the government, he has decided to assume the role of an activist, and a plan is going to be made by the Aam Aadmi Party. And these questions we are asking because Arvind Kejriwal is also all set to now vacate the official bungalow, the Sheesh Mahal, within a week. Sanjay Singh, the Aam Aadmi Party, confirmed this and even mentioned that attempts were made to convince Arvind Kejriwal that his security is in danger, but Kejriwal said that God will protect him. BJP, however, has called it Nautanki. Listen.
उन्होंने तय किया है कि मुख्यमंत्री के तौर पर मिलने वाली सारी सुविधाओं को वो त्याग देंगे। वो अपना सरकारी आवास खाली करेंगे, मुख्यमंत्री आवास खाली करेंगे, और अगले कुछ हफ्तों के अंदर वो नए ठिकाने पर जाएंगे।
आम आदमी पार्टी की राजनीतिक नौटंकी अभी खत्म नहीं हुई है। मैं आपको बताता हूं अगले सीक्वेंस क्या होंगे। भ्रष्टाचारी मुख्यमंत्री केजरीवाल घोषणा करेंगे कि मैं 2 दिन में 3 दिन में घर शीश महल खाली करूंगा। कठपुतली मुख्यमंत्री उनके पैरों में लिपटेगी, नहीं आपको ऐसा नहीं करना है, लेकिन वो कहेंगे नहीं मुझे तो जाना है।
Let's now go across to my colleague Tejshri joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Tejshri, while of course there is face-off, political face-off we are seeing between Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP on what next for Arvind Kejriwal, but at the same time people want to know about the swearing-in ceremony because of the kind of reaction we've got from Atishi after she was named as the chief ministerial candidate for Delhi. Is it going to be a low-key affair, the whole ceremony? What more details do you have for our viewers?
Well, yes, what we are getting to know is that Arvind Kejriwal, after his resignation, and in fact has named Atishi as the new Chief Minister of the National Capital, and CM designate Atishi is going to take oath on 21st of September. And also what we are getting to know is that apart from that, the entire cabinet is also expected to take oath on 21st of September. And also important to notice that in a short while from now, like in few minutes from now, Aam Aadmi Party is also going to release the list of the entire cabinet of Atishi, and we'll have to see that where this swearing-in ceremony takes place, because Atishi has said that she does not want to celebrate it. So is this a silent ceremony or a silent oath ceremony, or this will be a celebratory oath ceremony? In fact, it will be in a kind of rally or a mass gathering.
All right.
It will be.
All right. Thank you, Tejshri, for the moment for joining us, and we'll keep coming back to you for more on this developing story. With this, we will slip into a very, very short break. Lots lined up for you on the other side. Don't go anywhere.